Ross, a treeing Walker coonhound, is just one of the nearly 1,680 animals that found a home at the Rockbridge County SPCA over the past year. As of now, it's the only shelter in Rockbridge County, so it works in conjunction with animal control and doubles as the county pound. Tara Rohde is the executive director of the Rockbridge County SPCA. She said that because of this coordination, her facility, unlike other SPCAs that operate separately from animal control, is legally obligated to euthanize some of its animals.
Since we do take every animal in, we can't turn any animal away, and we're under contract with the localities, we do have to euthanize because we could have court order cases, we have bite cases. We do have animals that come to us that are sick or very aggressive that would not be adoptable. Places that are no-kill shelters, they can turn animals away like that.
But some locals, including Lexington resident Joanne Abel, have been critical of the SPCA's euthanasia rates, claiming that they are too high and that the organization could do more to prevent euthanasia. Abel was unavailable for comment, but she recently authored a letter to the editor in the Lexington News-Gazette addressing her concerns. Rohde said that while she understands critics' worries, the majority of animals that are put down at the Rockbridge SPCA are combative feral cats, and euthanizations due to a lack of shelter space are rare.
But the euthanasia is not something our staff ever wants to do. It's very stressful for everybody. It's very emotional. And anytime we can, we avoid it.
Rockbridge County SPCA statistics show that the organization has a 96% save rate for dogs and a 32% save rate for cats. It's trying to improve that number for felines by fundraising and educating the public on the importance of spaying and neutering their animals. For the Rockbridge Report, I'm John Tompkins.